In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Meta AI on Facebook. This process is quite straightforward, whether you're looking to mute the Meta AI chat or disable AI-generated comment summaries for your posts. Let's dive right in. Firstly, grab your mobile device and open the Facebook app. Once there, you'll want to navigate to the search icon, which you'll find at the top right of the screen. Alternatively, you might see the Meta AI circle there instead, depending on your app version. Go ahead and tap on that icon. Now that you're in the Meta AI chat, you'll see a blue eye somewhere on the screen. It's the information icon. Give it a tap. This will bring up a menu with several options. You're going to choose Mute. At this point, Facebook will prompt you to select a duration for this action. You can choose an option like Until I Change It, which means when you're ready to unmute, you'll just revisit the setting. Next, let's talk about disabling AI-generated comment summaries for your posts, if that's something you'd like to do. Starting from the main Facebook app, find your way to the menu, which is typically represented by 3 horizontal lines. Tap on that, then navigate to Settings and Privacy. Once there, proceed to Settings. In the Settings menu, select Audience and Visibility. Then tap on Posts. Here you'll find an option labeled Allow Comment Summaries on your posts. If it's toggled on and you prefer it to be off, simply tap to turn it off. This adjustment ensures your posts won't automatically show AI-generated summaries of comments. Finally, you might want to manage your data usage for Meta AI. While Facebook doesn't offer a blanket opt-out for AI usage, there's still a way to adjust some settings. Go back to your menu, then to Settings and Privacy, and finally onto the Privacy Center. Once there, you'll need to look for something like AI at Meta. Under this, you should see an option to Submit an Objection Request. Clicking this will allow you to express your preferences regarding Meta's use of your data for AI applications. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to managing Meta AI settings within your Facebook app. Whether it's muting chats or controlling how your data is used, these steps help you personalize your experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.